Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Nordea card decline error. First, check your account's balance and make sure you have enough funds available. Next, confirm that your card is active and not expired. An expired or blocked card will not allow the transactions to go through. Then, close this app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Then, try the payment again. Next, restart your phone to clear the temporary system issues. Now, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Nordea and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the official App Store. If your card is still declined, contact Nordea support because the bank may have blocked the transaction for security reasons. That's how you fix the Nordea card decline. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.